Hi guys! Today we're gonna be listening to a story about friendship. Now, I really want all of you to pay attention as I'm gonna be asking questions at the end. So, what are you waiting for? Let's start. Once upon a time, there were two monkeys called Maya and Shri. Maya and Shri were the absolute bestest of friends. Every single monkey in the neighborhood was jealous of them. They used to spend their days swinging from vine to vine and eating delicious and juicy fruits like bananas and mangoes. Now, Maya was a very timid and shy monkey. She preferred to spend her time reading books and by drawing doodles. Shri, on the other hand, was extremely social. He used to love spending his time being adventurous, meeting new people, getting to know new people, etc. Even though both of them were polar opposites, they still loved each other and were there for each other all the time. One day, the most famous girl of their school, Tia, approached Shri. This was a huge surprise as Tia was not one to approach anybody. So this left everybody to be super shocked. Tia told Shri that she wanted him to be a part of her friend group so that they could go to parties, they could be social, they could meet new people. Tia knew that Shri loved doing this, but the only one condition that Tia had was to never talk to Maya again. Listening to this news, Shri was absolutely shocked, though it didn't even take him a single minute to come to a decision. He told Tia that him and Maya were a package deal, that they were best friends and no party in this world could ever let him abandon his best friend. He said that he didn't want to be friends with Tia as she did not respect his friendship with Maya. Everybody was very shocked, especially Tia. No one had ever spoken to her like this. The end. I hope you loved the story as much as I did. Now I'm going to be asking a few questions. I hope you all heard this story nicely. So the first question is that what was the name of the character who wanted Shri to stop talking to Maya? The second question was, what were the two fruits that Maya and Shri loved to eat? The third question is that what were the two things that Maya absolutely adored to do? The last question was that what do you think is the correct thing? What do you think that Shri should have done? Was his decision correct? Tell us, what would you do in place of Shri? Please comment all these answers below so that we can also know what you guys think about friendship. Thank you so much for tuning in and listening to this video. Have a good day.